and welcome back to our channel.
This week's video is a little bit different.
It's a lot different. This week has been a lot different.
This week has been something, yeah.
I grew up in just south of Minneapolis, and I've been watching neighborhoods burn that as they're on the news, it's like, oh, I know the building, I know what's in that building, and I know this place, and I used to go there with my mom, and I haven't really felt like picking up a camera at all this week.
And this last weekend we had GISH 2.0, which was, you know, set up long before this shitstorm happened. And I found that this weekend was actually kind of hard to, I don't know, find the, oh my God, stop.
It's been a very emotional week. We have very little footage. No one wants to watch a depressed person work on a bus. And we haven't really got that much work done on the bus either.
Just GISH was hard.
Yeah,
just
GISH was
finding inside of me the want to do something that really honestly kind of seemed silly in light of everything that happens or has been happening and is still happening, and God knows when it's going to stop.
So today's video is not going to have any of us working on the bus because there's really no video of us working on the bus this week. But we did do GISH 2020 2.0 or whatever it was called, Mini-Hunt 2.0, and by the end of it we did enjoy it. It took us a little bit to get into it, but our teammates rocked. Our teammates did very well, and I'd like to show off what they did, and that's what this video is.
Absolutely.
This video is our GISH Mini-Hunt point 2 or part 2 or
GISH Mini-Hunt 2.0.
Yep. Thank you, team. You really you guys
pulled
were
us
awesome.
Through. You guys rocked. Especially the Zockert clan.
Yeah.
Your animal surprise party? Awesome.
They're all pretty cool.
Yeah, they were.
It was a lot of fun. Check it out.
Make me pretty. Make me like one of your French girls. Oh, that's beautiful. That's just stunning. I love it. Look at the work. Gorgeous.